Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Danado Boye from MoneyBiz, and today's video I'm going to withdraw 1,500 naira airtime into my MTN phone number. You must understand that this airtime is free. I got it for free. So how was I able to get 1,500 naira airtime? Literally you can earn more than that, but I just decided to create this video to show you that this application I'm going to show in this video, it is real. I've actually created other video to explain it. So I just want to use this to reinforce that it is real, it is paying, and there are more opportunities that's coming up day by day. So let me show you how you can actually earn free airtime online. So let's go into it in full details. So the first thing I'm going to do is to go to Google Play Store and download this application. So this application is only available on Android, so you have to have an Android phone to be able to use this application. Come to your Google Play Store here and search for SHAREit lite. So this is it, SHAREit lite. SHAREit lite. So when you come to SHAREit lite, all you have to do is to install the application. So you can see it's just about 17 MB, very straightforward. Just install the application. Now I've already installed the application. When you install the application and you open the application, you'll be brought to, of course, their home page and every other thing. So when you'll be brought to the home page, every other thing, then you'll be asked to log in. You can log in with your phone number, your Google email, or you use your Facebook. So you just log in with everyone. But me, to make things easy, I just log in with my phone number and I'm good to go. So when you're now here in the interface, you can see this chest that is shaking here. This chest here, let me use it to, you can see this chest there that is shaking. I see that is shaking his bum. Maybe his bum is shaking on his head. Okay, literally this chair that is shaking, just click on it. So when you click on it, you will now be brought to the earning page. This application, you can use it to transfer file, just like Sender. It works perfectly like Sender. But unlike Sender, this application does not show ad, yet it still pays you money in forms of diamond that you can convert to airtime. So literally you can see when you come to my interface here, I have more than 154 diamond, 154,000 diamond. How was I able to achieve it? Now these interfaces can change from time to time. If you check my previous videos on this application, I saw the interface differ. But since we are in Christmas season now, the interface has already changed. And presently, there are many things they are doing on this platform now. They're actually doing Christmas Carnival. And the Christmas Carnival, you can just come here. When you come down the application, you see so many things. But for the sake of this video, just for me to withdraw and show that this application, it is working fine. So literally, there are 4 ways you can earn here: lucky spin, invite, friends code, or crazy chess. Now I'm going to put an invite link below. When you click on the invite link, all you have to do is to copy the invite link actually and come to invite friend here. So not invite friend rather. You come to, okay, let me just come back. You come to friend code and put in the friend code. So literally I've already put in one of my friend code and I'm unable to put another one. So when you put in the friend code, I'm going to call it invite friend code. Just copy it and put it there. You're opportunity to get 6,000 diamond, and 6,000 diamond is going to enable you to get free airtime. So it's very important. Just copy that the invite code, as you can see below or on your screen. You can see it on the screen. Just copy it and put it in this place here. Let me just go back on this friend code. Just put it there and press OK or confirm. Automatically your diamond will change to 6,000, and with this you can kickstart. Then the next thing you're going to do is you come to lucky spin. So when you just sign in, you'll be given lucky spin. So all you have to do is just be clicking, like for example, every single day they'll give you 3 lucky spin. But when you invite somebody, that they'll give you 10 lucky spin. And apart from giving 10 lucky spin, they'll also give you 5,180 diamond. So just come to here when in the 10 lucky spin, I'm clicking on the start. The amount is actually 0 now. I've already used everything. It's 0 now. So that's how you'll be able to get more diamond. Now you're able to get airtime by converting the diamond to airtime. I'm going to do the conversion now. So the next thing you're going to do to be able to get more diamonds, you come to this crazy chest. Click on the crazy chest. I've actually done the crazy chest for my own before I created this video. I'll just show you. Literally, all you have to do is very simple. When you come to the crazy chest, you see my own crazy chest is actually loading. You see your own. It will just tell you click here. When you click here, all you have to do is to be clicking on the click continually. Actually, they'll tell you the step you have to follow, and it's very simple and straightforward. Now when you have gotten your cozy chest, you see this chest here. Presently I have 10 here. So when you just be tapping on the chest will be opening. As the chest is opening, you'll be giving points. So if there's any network error, you see 0. So that chest is not open here. You have to do it again. So you can just do it and you'll be giving free chest. Currently I have 206. I've given 206 diamonds. So as it opens, it's going to pop up, it's going to increase. So that's how you can actually get diamonds. So it's very important you take the invite link the friend invite code you will see below and on the screen. Just put it on this friend code and you get 6,000 diamond. Then you can start it and start making and share it with your friends and family. Just share it with your friends and family and show them this video. Let them watch this video and let them put your own invite code. So your friend will get 6,000 diamond. 6,000 diamond while you have 5,180 diamond. But it's very important you yourself copy the invite code below and put it there so you can get your own 6,000 diamond. So now let me just withdraw it. So to be able to withdraw your diamond and convert it to airtime, just click on lucky spin again. Then when you click on lucky spin on the interface, it is very straightforward. You see where they put diamond redeem phone fee. Just click on that. When you click on that, you'll be taken to the first thing I showed you at the beginning of this video. It's like a website link where you can actually convert your diamond to real airtime. So I'm going to do that now. Just for it to just load. Literally, it does not take so long. It just depends on your network. So it's going to just load, and when you load, you'll be given options. So if this is your first time of actually coming to this application, you'll be given opportunity to withdraw 50 naira, 70 naira, 300 naira, 800 naira, 15, 3,300 naira, 6,900, and 50,000 airtime. So now the higher the diamond you have, the higher your chances of withdrawing higher airtime. So presently, I can be able to withdraw 1,500 naira airtime, and it's just free. So I will click on it and click on confirm. So when you come to my record, you see that I've withdrawn a lot. So let me show you other withdrawal. Oh, it has gone off. So you can see these are the one I've gotten today. So I think it renew itself over time. So let me just come to redeem and show you. So make sure you have gotten enough diamond and you click on be able to redeem it and you're able to redeem it. So I'm going to click on confirm here. I want to redeem 1,500 naira diamond airtime. So which network are you using? So I'm using MTN. So I'll select the MTN network. I'm going to put in my phone number. You remove the first 0 and put 234. So probably it's 080. So remove the first 0. Now continue with 80 and compose your phone number and complete everything. So I've already put my phone number. You repeat it again to confirm it and you click on OK. So just make sure that you actually put a real phone number, because if you make any mistake and the phone number exists, if somebody else that has that phone number that I go to receive that time, you can see presently now it is successful. So I just have to wait for a few minutes or few hours, and I'll be able to get it on my phone. It is actually real. I've been doing this over time. I just like to show you this video to show that it is real. So do not sleep on this opportunity. Start making airtime now. Start calling your friends and family, especially this season where you want to call your friends and family. Utilize it. Go to Google Play Store, download the application, log in. Then when you log in, put in the invite code so that you can have 6,000 diamond automatically, and you have more lucky spin, and you just click on the crazy chest and you accumulate more diamond, and then you can just convert it. Just follow the way I convert it in this video and you are good to go. So ladies and gentlemen, if you have gotten value in this video, don't forget to subscribe. If you like to subscribe, like this video, because your subscription means a lot to me. Because whenever you subscribe to opportunity to be able to make money online and to be able to access free opportunity to get valuable resources online. Because this channel talk about how you can make money online, how to get valuable resources online, and how to promote your businesses. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you, and I love you.